Hey, it's Jeff. We're back with KitterCards.com. We just completed the random, and now we are ready to bust a hobby box of Topps Series 1 Baseball for 2013. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Thanks for joining us tonight. Tonight is a sellout. Tomorrow night we are doing a box of Topps Magic Football, 2 random teams with 2 tiers. So everybody's guaranteed a team in each tier in that break. It's an empty box. So we're broadcasting now in a higher quality. It's not high def because Blog TV doesn't have high definition, but they are allowing us to broadcast in HQ, which is, I guess it's close to high def. But the premise of it all is just to give you guys a clearer picture of the cards, because I went back and looked at some of our previous breaks that we've loaded up on YouTube, and they were just grainy and horrendous. So hopefully you guys will get a better picture. You know, the only drawback is I've got to start and stop the video just to get the recordings going. But hopefully, you know, you guys will overlook that and just enjoy the clearer picture and, you know, hopefully better sound. Now, I'm not going to announce all the individual cards here because there's 360 cards in this break. I will definitely show all the cards and all the inserts. We'll talk about the inserts. We'll stop on those. And if there's a league leader card, I will we'll stop, and at the end we'll talk about the league leaders. I have some extra league leaders, so if I have extras, we can easily just split them between the teams, especially if they're separate, you know, people. If somebody owns the Pirates and somebody owns, I don't know what other teams on the league leaders, maybe it's the, I don't know, the Phillies or something, that, you know, instead of randoming those two, I may have an extra, and we don't have to random at that point. So we'll see. Just want to make sure everybody gets their cards and that we're fair to everybody. Just here to have a good time and, you know, enjoy collecting cards. You guys feel free to chat away in the chat. Finally figured out how to open the chat to everybody except guests. If you want to chat and you're a guest, you need to register for an account in Blog TV. It's free. And then you can chat along with us. Bobby, you had the, give me just a second here. You had the Brewers, and the Athletics. All right, guys, let's go through stack 1 here. Like I said, we'll just stop on the inserts, but hopefully you guys can see a much clearer picture now. There's a Chasing History, Hank Aaron for the Braves. We got gold coming up here. Kyle Kendrick, gold for the Phillies. Numbered 1167 of 2013. Hold it to where it's not covering up the number. Kyle Kendrick for the Phillies. Gold. Green Andre Ethier for the Dodgers. Not numbered. Sorry about the cards, guys. I didn't package these because I wouldn't have packaged them upside down and sideways in all different directions. There's a league leader. The Padres, Brewers, and Cubs. We'll just set that one to the side. And we'll see at the end where we're at with those, like I said earlier. Here's a Pirates mini. Andrew McCutchen. Nice Pirates mini. Mike Trout for the Angels, Chasing the Dream. Phillies. Stare Down, Jonathan Papelbon, calling card. And a Chasing History, Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. That's the first stack. Part of the first stack. Let's finish that first stack up here. Looks like there's a die cut coming up soon. $1 million chase. How about a Clayton Kershaw mini for the Dodgers? The focus here, there we go. And Albert Pujols, the Greats for the Angels. Freddie Freeman, green. And the die cut for the Red Sox, Ted Williams. Cut to the chase. Chasing History for the Dodgers, Jackie Robinson. And that's the first stack. Grab part of stack 2 here. Another league leader card. Set that one over. So Drew Hutchison for the Blue Jays, chasing the dream. Again, sorry guys about this all being upside down. Sometimes you get a pack that's straight, and sometimes you get a pack that's all upside down. Here's a gold for the Padres. Cameron Maybin. Cameron Maybin for the Padres. 146 of 213. Speaking of the Padres, how about a mini, Tony Gwynn? $1 million chase. Indians chasing history, Carlos Santana. Pablo Sandoval for the Giants, calling card. There's a green, Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. Rest of stack 2. How about an Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers? Mini. There's a relic for the Red Sox. Big Poppy. Chasing history, David Ortiz. Game used memorabilia. Nice hit for the Red Sox. Goes to Robert. Congratulations, Robert. Chasing history relic. Big Poppy. Jesus Montero for the Mariners. Chasing the dream. Another league leader. Set that one off to the side. Chasing history, Adam Dunn for the White Sox. Spring Fever. All right, that's stack 2. Stack 3. Another one. Another league leader card. Gold. Norichika Aoki for the Milwaukee Brewers. Numbered 1405 of 2013. Indians mini, Carlos Santana. A lot of nice inserts in this Series 1. Can't wait to see what they do with Series 2. It's really nice cards. Another league leader. Wow, there's a lot of league leaders in this box. So green, Kevin Youkilis for the White Sox. And a die cut for the Cubs. Cut to the chase, Ryne Sandberg. Beautiful cards. Love those cut to the chase die cuts. Out of a base product, that is just phenomenal card there. Die cuts. All right, here's a chasing history for the Cardinals, Lou Brock. And a Brandon Phillips calling card for the Reds. Tommy Malone for the A's, chasing the dream. Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. Mini. Another league leader card. Wow, we're going to have to go through a lot of these cards here at the end. A lot of league leaders. Chasing history, Don Mattingly for the Yankees. How about a Stan Musial for the Cardinals, the Greats. The focus here. There we go. Green, Max Scherzer for the Tigers. Wow, another league leader. Jose Reyes, mini for the Marlins. And that's the third stack. Final stack of the box here. Another league leader. I don't think I've seen this many league leaders in one box. They just knew we were breaking it. Gold for the Mets, Scott Hairston. Numbered 462 of 2013. Josh Reddick for the A's, chasing the dream. Chasing history for the Rangers, Ian Kinsler. And Reggie Jackson, calling card for the Yankees. Mini for the Diamondbacks, Ian Kennedy. Green for the Brewers, Ryan Braun. Another league leader card. I think that's like the 10th one in this box. And chasing history for the Mets, Johan Santana. All right, last stack. Starting out with the Orioles. Cut to the chase die cut. Adam Jones. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs, chasing the dream. Yankees mini, Lou Gehrig. Felix Hernandez calling card. I believe that's the Mariners. Yep, for the Mariners. And the last two cards, Yankees and Orioles. And that is it for the box break. We'll take a look here at the... Thanks for joining us tonight. We'll take a look here at the league leaders and see what we have. We'll be right back.